any treaty no. Man fan be ample, but more can see who said no, say, sir, yes, been a Tommy Bam. Yes.
Ebusian for aha Ghana TV message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Ebusian for me kaipa say early part of last year, ebia beye March, April honum, me hosti program be. I'm even certain says our program no cry no me posti ebi ewo YouTube ha. And our program name no me kasafa eye sanitary pad ga aban no echichema school nkola no. And when I was speaking, now me kasa as a politician, Debbie, I was speaking from a scientific perspective. Now me chire mu say sanitary pad aban chiche no a low quality. And yes, standard sanitary pad I will market yen may use it for cycle. But say Mikasa no na nkofo bebre say evidence for him. And I told them say, look, yeah experiment be, but experiment no enye sanctioned, right? And ni find this net me for bounty. But the samples from those sanitary pad and I who say sanitary pad no ebetimi cause even irritation, right, in the people who use it. And I explain again, says irritation in yamanema no one share ya et me hancrophobia sad na cause even cervical cancer. People thought say na me politics. This year, Ministry of Education Akasan Babontin Minister no Aruna Edusaka say sanitary pad now muchiche no a low quality. And ti afi na mu hwehwe nkrofo fufura, they would take up the contract and provide high quality sanitary pad. For what the minister failed to do in that acknowledgement, and he said, Ghanaian ladies, Ghanaian girls, bebre, have reportedly gotten infections from those sanitary pads. In fact, I heard of a mother, and I'm going to play the tape for you to hear yourself. A mother who said, Niba, was Swedru or so, Swesco, senior high school. She was called, urgently said, come and take your daughter away, she has gotten infection. When the mother got to the house and wanted to have a look at the private part of the daughter, no, it was full of rashes. They had to quickly admit the daughter to the hospital. And you ask yourself, say, why would even a parent take the risk of allowing their girl child? Say, I fake sanitary paddy, low quality sanitary paddy, NDC 4% or mundisi kanti, mudia koba say a policy. No. Why would you even allow your girl child to go in for such a sanitary pad? Let's even forget about the spiritual aspect. Physically, pad na as a paper. And I was asking Abine, as at last year, no. And beside Abine say, we know, say, ladies are in different kinds. There are some ladies who have heavy flow, right? Some have light flow and they rest. And the uchicha pad no consideration ben away. You don't know who is having heavy flow, you don't know who is having light flow, you are just giving them the same sanitary pad. And many of the children use the pad now, sorry now must stay near bench. No. The very thing that you claim that you were trying to prevent, no. And TSC, Aban is also the policy be etuja. You must first sit down, think it through. Think the policy through. Bisa who say 8 years of Akufo-Addo no. Na nkola na amoko school no. Omunya part free. It clearly shows that either the parents can afford or there are NGOs that already share sanitary pad to these students. But end up sike DNT because my baba mupe contract and man 10 muka 10% nti. Mako fast policy fumbi say. Ede hankola. Ede hankrofoba. And you see, Ghana your mind bia. We take things for granted. If not because of the way we take things for granted, Anka by now, no, some parents should have gotten up and should have sued Airline. You must sue Airline because Udis have poor quality sanitary pad, and I've gotten infection. At the end of the day, I have to go and spend money at the hospital more than even the money I will have spent buying a proper pad. I have to take you to court. But Ghana we dey. Who go talk? Let's go and listen to the testimony of this mother who actually had this bad experience. I will see you in the next one. Hi, Ghana Sem. You can donate. The number is on the screen. Help us make Ghana Sem better. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
So we are bad time. We dream edda from pa. Na opo obane da achi. Na enye se obane obane na person odi na bro dia. Yiwasum na tie de ekoso tie.
Joseph, paper cho oba be use pad ni bi.
And in my office, if I crab what used to be, to say, pardon, I can say, oh, I say, I don't know, a flat beach, just I saw campus with 3 grants, and was a timmy, I absorb it, we know. Or be fear no comprehensive, I hold no my as a rashes with Google. I will not ferry, oh, mammy, don't look on already 15 years, and I'm so under one. I mean, say, honey, nah, rashes when Papa calls soon, tunes I say. Adada moja na me hu di ntabe ne kwa kawe ene treaty no man fa bibia ampo but mo kan sese hu se no na se sa de esine ne bi na to me ba no e serious pa mani be fie nti me ne kwa kawe ko shia ne kwa me ne kwa kawe hospital
Na se owo SS ni ye chema wo mo no
no Swedru secondary school me am second born na me ne kwa kawe ni me madam friend say me ba no Tina as of CB, rice a good Michelle and Jane and Ada. Before you me come and me shame me to Quarry Hospital. You're quite your career, let's say a rashes, normal, but the man fan is serious, be an hot on there. A big fever. I'm so just a pad, nip you, and I'm a tall. So the pad call you, but a bad chair interface or you sue you. It's what you sue for a long time, or mamma not quite true. And like I say, light, and we ha. That's what I was a 4. And so let me absorb it. Oh, each me we ha and you have normal party mood. It's one come was better, grandpa, who say. In the part, it is the enemy whom you may comment here. Very serious. Is a me witness by begin. So it was a can see a friend with school was about Michiana Council, and neighbor saying I and I see. Na Michiana Quack, which me 2 a year, me English a month to be back away in the Quack Hospital. Sanity, te am papa, I am back.
Ebusian for we die. Me who say make the say first hand evidence or say live evidence or me who say na make am for nafa. This is coming from a parent ne ba use pad ni bi. And was say ne ba enya infection. Your friend was school no shia ne ba no de ne ba no e call hospital.
Konti obi eni hu no wo say ase kokko de wo say aye moja asa o titi sa na why say moja sa de
Nyame kwa na bua nke ye kuro
ani is serious mi shia mi ma de ko akawe say say body o che o fi be 2 weeks na mi say afi mi ja na kwama na ko is serious ti da man to train mo mi on say kan ko man to train because mi share mi hu na pa de be ma mu but my dream was say no ampo. My dream was so but Musa pad mu ye ha. No so ma like
say o bukro mu school mo de pad no akwala ne pese wo be gibia esese wo ma ne maame e ba be san ne maame baba be san pad na misi e na ye eziat e na akwala na beji ai enti e maame fo ne se mi ntua na mo ni me bechi ese me beje pad bia pad a mi betimi ati sikato enti pad no se de bro mo last time nyina na egu ho omo so ya teacher mo na omo kwa na omo diaba because you say enya papa
Ekuya hold your
Anka ayi me am ne ba ebe kasim but eye because tamaneko awofo mo de say mintimi hu Ghana ho na kasa no wodwene hu a ho nte ase wodwene nsiso na nka enyo mo a ko bi nyi 200 Ghana enkoto ba ma 20 cedis And to buy my John Mahama 20 CDs. 20 10 you. A dear panel ni pay was as usual. One, and maybe a chum. Now Baku school now. School fees, studies fee, feeding fee, boarding fee, exams fee, mock fee, light bill, water bill, and maybe a chum. Yenya buy me manaba. I be cancel all this. Or bad time says still on Timin to part a money back just 20 CDs. And yet the beer over 20 room every month be a young father said was soon be ample. So Bob Obanka 50 Ghana. Again Ghana mammy food again. Oh, say the mama. Obana and I approach a pattern. And what do you say? No, my very as with the war trickle or bet chum whom with the na. Or what a party and Nibusumi and a school for Makuma 16, Quadano. Tintin no moon net. And Nibusumi and then also police is so judgment and also Quadaisia. Pardon, not there, they echo so Ghana on a month for game. Pardon. Come school from Qualano. Once I was say on Quan, not be a master pardon. Nana man for can no cool or TikTok, and also ever can't ever share the testimony. Into one more of my Asia Pro, our money number one, but I won't want to mean cat. We once was say on one of chain a band of feeling a summer. Or chain a band of warfare. I don't hear no one say on my easy crew. I call ye castle tremor muntie about time na mu cause trouble to do. Money bread yen no do Ghana about time for ni be. A binum ama a mine moyen aye and the dear pan a better come. Who's the papa be kumma? Coquia for Pesica, or so anybody to part to 2 or so. And Tadia Oyen, Munim, the implications are never. Me catch one and a Muslim wenti. My physical pa. Damn from a Tifaso. Ah! A Tifaso. Again, I'm a for Muji. Again, a mamma of mine, mamma and Crophobi. I don't never done the man Mahama that damn or ye could drain ye boom Crofocon. A day. Mamma no mamma would tear me. Could the party? Conaco swab a pa, banche pa, would ye papa bidi, shall bano, would me or no going to me to a papa bid not to pardon man. And Mao Bannon could this have to come or pardon no Tom. Now, man, the almost sacrifices because I see don't get here. Can say they will do everything to win power, including lives. John Dramani Mahama, I can say they will do everything to win power, including lives. A cry in Nipa. And the moment you can say, Obama the president. When Timmy and Yabi fan says a sanitary part in the first agenda. Why don't you think about it? Or promise I advise 24-hour economy. Or promise Valentin boot to nay abobo ya umbeduya and we can get pizza a 224 lances. I can't say licensure exams. Or promise ya, say Oma Kusia. One house, one fridge. I didn't think one for one house, one fridge number. One for Kusiana Sassi, one for pizza and ice cream now. Could you believe say, say one day may show all the manifesto my brother young couple. How worry. Can you believe say when to me over ice cream when you are the chassis a sanitary part. And Mame Obata, oh, what? And come up and say, Papa, dinner will be cash as you know. It means something. Because Omaka said they will do everything to win power, including lives. Everything now is on Bedu. Time no win power, we are. And what's all my sacrifices? No more could show my boy. Don't you know? na wetimi so wo sa ko obu na ntififi obatan jobi kwa wakosan dem beje pad dem amamba shameless people ko de ba ye no obi anyi na abọ no so a ka on say go for me mu ma anko fa ma ohwe a ne ma no pad na ono e chema mu ebi ne ma ne bo o ma yentu e wo ase na yibewu mami fo mommy nyai edie na nipa ji wasase so bibia free edu be ko wum na omo na first no mutumi ko omutu omo school fees one first no mutu to say no ma we na kwa no still as no mutu to pad mo ma ne ba e free hin ya beduru ai ye free hin na ba tanfo ana wo so ye school ni yakoda enti wo so ye kasam che wontie to letro na ye see so na party na wi ase me to party be to me ma no mo so mu tie mi na me se party mu na amato omu na party be to omu na no mu ni bi me be to me ma no mu ni enua no mu ma ne ade entumago ne ebobọ na yete yetwa kama ne abobọ ne kama na omu da show ma hwini ma aye mbuo wa ye kama owi a hosan ko sini kama
abusia eno akoko atwafo ye demonstration chenchirinche etia this useless NDC government over cocoa prices are almost every 6,600 Ghana cedis, about 2,578 Ghana cedis. Na video be a viral. Abrantie bi eye video ano ka demonstration no. Na asemu ana wo kan ne se omo ho ni nyina omo nye cocoa farmers MPP for na abra bi omo so omo be demonstration. Na sa abrantie ne ya che no but wo de hwe video no wi abra na endi nko
demonstration no omo be me ska say ye ne ko demonstration ye de ye di ska no ye ko demonstration no ye cocoa piafo omo be say ye mle demonstration no ye de ya di ska no Scanner, one way is 2.5. No demonstration, Maje, demonstration.
Someone who's a brandy. Could you believe, say, yes, our brandy we ya and a few days proud to a demonstration, NDC for a bribe or no any afufro. I say, omunya interview, omunchi camera and so almost no mumbo NDC aban a basso. I saw my yard for reducing cocoa prices. She's our interview, no, we are.
Nah, you could cook for the air can say. You be more studying to cook because of price now about. Plus, yeah, a buy into the Wushi ma John Dramani Mahama and a pound for I who do my papa. Because of your man on a price now, a buyer now, not as if you can swat who could you work what I take our Mokano Mukishum Kukunaba Ghana. But abani fe no want so enyi nto ateso
asem no esrim abrantie no atade da o sheye edikoye interview edi praise Mahama aban say o ma ya de so mati cocoa prices so na MPP for deceive you yes atade na ana days later o sheye edikoye demonstration o hwe kura we ndare we wokofra demonstration mu ede ne ho kankan ne nanumu kankan ekohwianwian krofo hodom. And the whole government, the whole NDC government, they couldn't get a sensible person to do their propaganda for them. Just enquire for 6 million. Nyanse di bien ni minti obi omo pese on be deceive Ghana for on twan tronchre Ghana for sa kwa ne kura onim nyansa se atade na o hye de ye interview no obesesa no ashe for fraud yakọ demonstration. And you see the attempt by the NDC government to downplay the gravity of cocoa prices are reduced and how I affect cocoa farmers. That would be their bane. That is what would take them to opposition. To me the propaganda and try manage the economy. To me the and try na solve every problem. But you see, Ghana for a wise. Cocoa for no. You may think it's almost school and do it. But will fear nyansa. And they will punish the NDC government